Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are well and I am also fine. So today I make video 1 how to enable point in Play Store. So first open the Play Store and you need two apps. The first app is Quick VPN and install this VPN. Those who live in the US country, they no need to install these apps. I need apps because I am a Bangladeshi, so I can install this, and after install these apps we can open and connect the US country for our play point. Okay, today I make the play point which server. The server is the US not Virginia server. Okay, that connect the US server. Okay, and leave the VPN and open the Play Store again and search Google Play Open on yours and install these apps. Okay, now when the app is installed, so back to the home screen and open the Google Play Open on yours apps. This is the most important apps for Playpoint, and the apps gives us Google Play credit free for survey. Okay, select who is Gmail, that the Gmail have no Playpoint account. Okay, and continue and press the continue button. Okay, and when are complete that, those who person live in US, they are turn on the location history, but I have live in Bangladesh, so I can't it. So this turn off and click the start button and complete the profile. Okay, and click the this is loading and click the continue button for open the US country. Okay, that loading again and complete the setup profile and complete, press on complete to now select your language and continue. And now the last step is answer survey. Okay, so got it, and we have just answered the survey. Now the survey are complete. That's it, thank you. Okay, now the next last step is in the Play Store. So open the Play Store again, and the most important things are in the payment method and subscription. Press on payment method and subscription and update the Google Play balance updating address information. Click the update button and press and United States zip code. That zip code is 75015 and that continued. Okay, that was done. And the last step to open this Playpoint, we need a credit card or debit card or a PayPal account or a redeem code. Okay, so if you don't have any credit card, you used Google Play redeem code. Okay, so if you don't show Playpoint in your Play Store, so you can clear data on your Play Store in storage setting and storage. Okay, that I reopen the Play Store and I saw my Playpoint option is back. Now click on the Playpoint button and the add the payment method. Okay, that click the join for free button. Okay, now this is loading and we want to see that was a credit card or debit card or a PayPal account or a redeem code. If you don't have the credit card or debit card, you just join for the redeem code and also PayPal account. Okay, so we suggested the US person, you join the redeem code. Okay, and I have don't any redeem code, so I can add my credit card. Now added the redeem code or a credit card, my Play Store option is 1. Now see, my Play Store option is 1. Yes, I am in. Press the in button and see my Playpoint account is open. Now hit the use button. You can 100 points to redeem $1 play credit, and you can also redeem any games top up or diamond or any games, anything for Playpoint. Use the Playpoint. Okay, so the last step, how to open Playpoint bronze perks. Okay, so that's the things that the parks option is off. Okay, so I can turn on the parks option is to secret setting. Okay, so my credit card balance is 0.42 cent. Okay, and this is Visa card. You need to send to on your Google Play balance or redeem code to open the parks option. Okay, and I have also 2 cent. Okay, so that I goes the Play Store and search the Gracie. Okay, the ebook are price 0.01 cent. It's very low for me, and buy the ebook option, and use your Gmail password for buying the ebook. Continue and processing are complete, and the ebook buying is successful. Payment successful. Requirement for purchase. Okay, payment successful. Okay, done. And the second, we need to buy a ebook again, the 1 cent. Okay, this is very low cost for us. Buy ebook again and continue, press the continue button. Buy ebook and when the processing are complete, we see that our parks option is 1. Okay, now see the magic. We open play point bronze again and make the parks option. Now see the bronze parks is open. Okay, now claim option, we have earned up to 100 points for this option. Okay, and open the box. I win 2 points this week, and you have every week Friday you win a box for play point bronze parks, and you have earned up to 100 points for in this box. Okay, how was today's video? I hope you like today's video, and if you like the video, then please give me a like to the video and comment and let us know how to like the video. See you again tomorrow in a new video. Until then, till stay well, stay healthy, tata, bye bye, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. তো গাইস, অনেক কিন্তু ইংলিশে কথা বললাম। যাই হোক, ইংলিশের ভিতরে যদি ভুলভ্রান্তি থেকে থাকে, আমার বাঙালি যারা সাবস্ক্রাইবার দেখতেছো অবশ্যই কিন্তু মানে জিনিসটা একটু হাসির দৃষ্টিতে দেখলেও যাই হোক কিছু মনে করো না, কারণ আমার এই চ্যানেলে কিন্তু প্রচুর পরিমাণ মানুষ আমাদের বাইরের কান্ট্রি থেকে আমার ভিডিওটা দেখে, কিন্তু তারা কিন্তু আমার ভাষা কিন্তু মানে আমার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা বুঝতে পারে না, কারণ আমি আমার ভিডিওতে কিন্তু সাবটাইটেল অ্যাড করি না। এই জন্য আমার যারা নেপালি ফ্রেন্ড আছে এবং আমার প্রায় ভিডিওর 20% ইউএস কান্ট্রি থেকে মানুষ দেখে, এবং আমার তো তাদের জন্য হলেও একটা ভিডিও কিন্তু বানাইতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? তো এই জন্য কিন্তু আজকের ভিডিওটা সম্পূর্ণ বানানো তাদের জন্য, ইংলিশে মানে টুকটাক যতটুকু পারি চেষ্টা করেছি তাদের একটু হলেও বোঝানোর জন্য। ওকে, তো এই তো ছিল আজকের ভিডিওটি কেমন লাগলো সবাই কিন্তু কমেন্টে জানাই দিও। আর যদি ভালো লাগে থাকে অবশ্যই একটা লাইক তো করবাই, আর যদি একটা লাইক করে ছোটোখাটো হলেও একটা কমেন্ট আশা করতেছি। যাই হোক, এই ভিডিওটা দেখে কেউ হাসবে না। ততক্ষণ আর কালকে দেখা হচ্ছে, ততক্ষণ ভালো থাকো, সুস্থ থাকো, টাটা, বাই বাই।